The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living thing on the planet.
One of the wonders of the world. It's a very special place.
So many colours, there's just so much life.
Sadly, mass coral bleaching events have wiped out many of the coral communities that create the reef structure.
Things are accelerating faster than we thought they were going to accelerate a few years ago.
The reef needs our help. We cannot witness its destruction on our watch.
One of the most effective ways to help it regenerate is a method called coral IVF.
We collect as many coral babies from these areas, drag them over to coral reefs that simply are unable to heal themselves.
Being one of the biggest beauty brands in the world, we're all about preserving the natural beauty of the world. And what better beauty to protect than the Great Barrier Reef? Garnier is super proud to be continuing the partnership with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation.
We simply cannot do this without partnerships like the ones that we're talking about with Garnier.
Together, we can make a difference.